DJ Gringo. Let's go. La Cambra. Nephew.
Well, hello and welcome to Regal Medical Group Zumba Go virtual event. I am Betty and I will be your instructor to a healthier, happier lifestyle. We are going to have so much fun staying healthy, yeah. I will introduce you to Zumba Go dance, weight training, yoga, Tai Chi, all standing or sitting in a chair, step by step. I've joined forces with Regal Medical Group and Lakeside Community Healthcare. They have access to the largest physician-led network of primary and specialty care providers all across the Southern California. They provide free resources like my Zumba Go workout and other programs to support your healthcare needs. In the description box below, you will find several links to Regal Medical Group Healthy Way event page. You can sign up for email alerts, a contact information link, as well as my information, A Better Body by Betty, email and website links. You're just a click away in the description box below. I want to say thank you so much for your support by subscribing. Make sure that you hit that little bell icon for instant notifications for new weekly videos. Also, leave us a comment. Give us some thumbs up to let us know that you enjoy our videos. And don't forget to share this channel with your family and friends. It's free. All right, so let's get started. Crank up the music. Come dance with me.
Intento pero no hubo suerte. Estoy que hasta cuando me baño solente. El papi de Sama, mi chula, no invente. Aquí hay clase, aquí hay flow. Wow. Going fast and slow. Wow. Que este party empezó.